Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you may be. CC here, Chris. From New York, Westchester County. It's June 16th, 2019, and we're observing the previous video obviously was observing the Thunder Moon here in New York on the East Coast. Um, it really, it, it's amazing because I had to come to my car because I forgot something. And while I was walking to my car, I could see. I mean, everybody's driving around. They're not looking at this amazing light show up in the sky. And why would they? I mean, really, they don't know about it, do they? I mean, really, do they know about this? Do they care? But I mean, something like this, like the solar eclipse, the lunar eclipse, all of these celestial events prove that the earth is flat. And I'll tell you why. Because once you prove that the light source, or I mean, not the light source, the light coming from the moon has nothing to do with the sun, then how could they work together at all? And the way to prove that is very simple. When you're during the summertime, it's been like 90 degrees here for the last 3 days. We're going in a heat wave, and working outdoors sucks. But you lose weight doing it. It's like going to the beach, right? Well, maybe not, but whatever. Let me get to the original point. My point is, if you look at the sun and you take one of those little heat dispenser things you can buy for like $20, and you go into the shade, and you find out that the sun is 10-degree difference than when you point it to the ground where there is no shade. That makes sense, right? Sure, it does. That makes sense. You're in the shade. There's a 10-degree difference between the ground that has shade over it than the ground that has sunlight illuminating off of it, right? That makes sense. But the thing that doesn't make any sense at all to me is when you take that very same experiment and you put it toward the moon and you find out it's reverse. That makes no sense. So that completely eliminates any relationship with the sun and the moon. So what you're looking at up there is an amazing light show. It's gorgeous, isn't it? It's created by the Creator for you. So look up tonight if you can. I don't know where you are. And enjoy this. I mean, there's part of that video right there that actually looks like the sun. I mean, it's just beautiful. It looks like a blood moon. But that's what it looks like, because that's the whole part of this amazing light show. And nobody notices it. Nobody sees it. They don't care. It's been going on like this for thousands of years. I mean, it wasn't anything new. Astronomy. We'll tell you all about it. NASA, which is right around the corner right here, 50 years. 50 years, guys. 50 years. We've gone nowhere. Nowhere. Oh, yeah, the last launch was in 1972. But they were tired, though. I mean, they've already been there a few times. They got through the Van Allen belt. No problem at all. According to one of our top scientists, we have the schematics of something that from 1969, we just can't figure it out again. That's why we can't go back. But we're learning how to do it again. We're relearning the education that we had back then. Oh my God, the lies, the bullshit, the nonsense that they put out there that just everybody just, folds up and says, yes. Yeah, that's right. That's right. Anyway, look, I just wanted to point. I wanted to record a little bit of this. I don't know. It's a little late here right now. Maybe I might do a live show. I don't know. I'm not going to guarantee anything. Maybe I'll do a live footage because I think the Thunder Moon, the actual Thunder Moon, the white full moon isn't going to actually come out until, I don't know, maybe in a couple hours from now. If I have some time, I'll try to do it. But anyway, so I hope you enjoyed. I thank you for viewing. I thank you for subbing to my channel and letting me be a part of your life.